When developing games, developers had CRT displays in mind. It would be quite a while before LCD and OLED. CRTs are getting harder and harder to find, and depending on the area you live in, it could be hard to find a good deal. It took me forever to find a good deal. Unfortunately, the people selling them know what they're worth. Now, I'm not saying you can't find a free one out in somebody's front yard, but it is much more rare for that to happen, unfortunately. A CRT, in my opinion, is the best way to experience these games if you can get your hands on one. Modern displays, when hooked up directly, are not only ugly, but can create input lag. And trust me, with some of these games, you'll want every millisecond possible.